welcome back to the channel. My name is Mamboy. We are going to Karura Forest.
Yeah, I'm Benito coach. Welcome to the vlog.
Hey guys, we have arrived at Karura Forest and this is Karura. Welcome to Karura.
Yes guys, as you have heard, we are at Karura Forest. So we entered the gate A and now we're gonna show you around this place.
Yep. This is the map to Karura.
This is the map.
Okay, let's go. So there is two sides. This is the way to the cave and the waterfall, and this is the way to the lily lake. Let's go see the lily lake. What do you think is there?
Just a lake.
Just a lake.
Yeah.
Okay, let's confirm. Nakunakaa scary.
Unakaa scary. So guys, we are going to the what is it called?
Lily Lake.
Yeah, and I think this is the way, if you are not wrong, but they are so bushy here.
It's bushy.
Just hope that we are going the right direction.
Hey.
We are going off. So the good thing here is that there are those signs. You can see where you are going, but if you feel that you are getting lost, you can also use a Google map.
Yeah, you can use a Google map by the way.
It will guide you well.
Yeah, because Karura ni forest kubwa sana. It's 25-70 acre of land.
25-70 acres of land.
Yeah, it's a very huge land.
So huge, yeah.
Yeah, it is the only forest in the city. Yeah.
So tell them where the Karura Forest is found.
Karura is located in Kiambu area.
Kiambu, yeah.
Unachukua gari hapo Koja kama una gari.
Yeah.
Then unasema ushukishwe Karura. Kuna kuanga na boda hapo yenye itakuonyesha.
You can pass through Limuru Road. Yeah. That is the main gate. No, I think there are several gates. So that is gate A in Karura Forest. Not Limuru Road. Yep. So guys, we are
on the lake. Is the lake. I think
nimeona sijui kadak kama ni kanini una pale. Hebu ka zoom. Ndio kale kule kana swim. Wow.
I think this lake, it's called Lily Lake because of the lilies. These lilies, water lilies. Ndio maana maybe inaitwa Lily Lake. Si ndio? Ama unaonaje?
Yeah.
Can you take a picture of us? Okay.
Show even the other side, the other end. It seems this lake is a big lake. Yeah.
Then show me your faces.
No, there's a bit of, let me go the other way.
Lilies. Sasa hizi zitoka wapi? These two birds. Ndio kuna kingine kakubwa huko.
Yeah. Anitende. Ndio kale kamoja.
Na aka hapo umekapcha.
Si mbili. Lily Lake. That's how the Lily Lake looks like.
That's the one boy. Dance. Unaonyesha venye you got some good moves. She got some good moves. So guys, we are going to the waterfall area, and it's going to take us around 25 minutes walk to that area. So come with us, guys.
To the waterfall and cave.
Yeah. You know you are in the forest when you see this very nice trees here, very conducive environment around. I like this place. There is no noise. Away from the city.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we should cross because huko vumela kuna matope, so to cross kupitia even as you can see the road is very clear.
If you have car you can come with your car hadi na huku ndani, lakini hii barabara
we keep on walking for 25 minutes. We shall be there.
When you come to Karura, guys, be ready to walk.
Yeah.
It's a huge walking distance. Kuja na viatu zako za sport. So guys, there are so many activities in here.
Yeah.
There is a watching birds.
Yeah.
There is a, what do you call?
There
walk,
is the
nature walk. Yeah.
Yeah, nature walk.
There is nature walk.
Yeah.
You can go to cave and the waterfall, and also you can do, what do you call? Picnics and.
We also got bike riding activities, but for the bike riding you get you will be charged 500 per hour. Am I right?
Yeah, per
yeah,
hour.
500 per hour. Then also we got some benches off the road. When you get tired, you can just have a rest and regain your energy back. Yeah. Yo guys, so stay tuned as we are walking around and showing you around, man. Sasa hiyo unaona umewalk for how long?
Bado ndio journey.
Is it past 20 minutes or not yet?
Ndio tumeanza guys.
Ndio tumeanza. Yeah.
Najua
We have started our journey.
January inachoma.
January bana. Inachoma sana. This where we are going. Hapo kuna kamak.
Baby.
Yes. Nowadays things are digital. You don't need to ask people around. We got a digital assistant here. It can direct us to the right place.
Yep.
But it's always a challenge for unmarked areas.
Team buildings zinaendeleanga huko, si ndio? If you are so many
team building activities.
Yeah.
Come jog around. By the have you told them entrance fee?
It's 100 bob, yeah.
Yeah, it's 100 shillings.
Wamejua tulikuwa wawili.
Ameniuliza ni watu wangapi, nikamwambia we are 2 people. So we have been charged 200 shillings. 100 shillings each.
Yeah.
So this place is affordable. And you have your time here. Yeah.
You come and re-energize yourself.
Yeah.
Connect with Mother Nature. Walk around. Like sahi nasikia tu hii weather ikiwa fresh.
Yeah.
Like hakuna watu nini makelele, nasikia tu birds tu ndio zinanipigia tu kelele, and that's so nice.
Nataka kutoroka kamera lakini unanimulika.
Natoroka naenda wapi?
Anyway,
we are in this together. We are in this together.
Yo guys, I just want to thank my our subscribers. Recently we have been getting new subscribers, and we thank you guys for supporting us. So if you're new here, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channels, Benito Codes and Boy. And also for returning subscribers, we thank you so much. Keep on liking and watching our videos. Yeah, until we grow together as a family, man.
Yes guys, you had it right. Thank you so much for the ones that have been subscribing to our channel. We really love you and we appreciate. May God bless you all. So when you come to Karura, guys, avoid disposable bottles. Come with non-disposable bottles so that you can walk with them with your water. Yeah, so we have so many benches. If you want to rest, you come and rest after a long journey. And now for us, let us rest for a little bit.
Yeah. Even me, I'm so tired. Let me have a seat.
Benito amedunga outfit of the day. Na nazikaribia tu hadi zitani immigration of the ants.
Nikupandililio tataona.
Ni rush hour. Tunaenda wapi? Kuna vitu kwenye mmoja. Look at that immigration of these ants. Hizi zikakupandilia kwa nguo.
Kupandilia hizi penda.
We are
we are at the
waterfall
we are at the waterfall
area.
So let's get down.
So let's go and see the waterfall, guys.
Has to be a good. As you go further.
Finally, Benito is on the waterfall.
Yeah.
Karura Waterfall.
Hey guys, this place we have found that there are so many people, so we are waiting for the queue to clear up so that we can go and have some snacks. I'm not gani. Yeah. That's the waterfall behind. You can see so many people around.
Nikali kama nini? Hai. Fati.
Now we are looking for the cave. Na kuna instruction. kijana amefika kwa cave. I think ungepitia hiyo side nyingine.
Let's get in. So guys, this is the cave, Mau Cave. So nimehave kukuja na torch cause there is real darkness. Unaona hata huwezi ona. Cannot see anything. So let me show you around. So unaweza kuwa na tumdudu kweli, hakuna things break but nothing. So let me go to this other side and see. But for real, this is not deep like the one at Ololua, because I think hakuna, this is not big. So the one for Ololua was so deep. Yeah, ile ya Ololua ilikuwa deep na ilikuwa so scary, but this one is not scary. Anyone can get in because you know kuna mashimo, but I hear that this is one of the Mau Mau's cave. They used to come and hide here during colonial period. So let me go and see the info about this cave. So you can read for yourself there. So that's it for today. That's Juamboy there. Yeye amesema ingia hapa ndani. Umekataa kuingia hapa ndani.
Hiyo cave si deep kama ya Ololua.
Si deep.
If you want a deep cave, go to Ololua.
That's Juamboy. Chiki venye kanaringa. Catwalk.
Kuna talent. I'm gonna show you my talents.
So guys, we have come to the end of our vlog today, and what do you have to say?
This is the end of this video. So guys, until we meet again.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you next video.